Hey guys, Plastiquad here. Installed 6S motors, 1507, 2800 kVs. Gonna try it on 6S. Unfortunately, I wanted to rip it and really see how fast it can go, but I don't understand this part. This car parked right in my drag lane, so I might not be able to do that today. But I'll try. I'll put in the 6S and see what happens. And I don't know. We'll see if she explodes. All right, guys. It's Plastiquad. Talk to you in a bit. Okay guys, I don't know if you saw that crash. I'm gonna post that right after I hit this relatively hard dirt and rock. Bent prop, PLA plus plastic, still intact, and I hit that sucker hard. So this quad is proving to be very durable for just well, 3D printed drone. All right guys, we'll continue the test. Hey guys, Plastiquad here. Going to try to tune the Plastiquad 4-inch 6S out here in my favorite test area. I flew it yesterday on 6S. It flies, it works, but a lot of oscillations, a lot of jerky movement, didn't feel much control, so hopefully I can tune some of that out. Since I am a newbie at that, it still may not be perfect by the time I'm done. So anyway, I'll do that and we'll see how it flies today on 6S. All right, take care guys. Talk to you in a bit. Bye. Guys saw that crash at the park with my Plastiquad 4-inch build, all with PLA plus parts, the frame at least. So I hit that tower really hard and you could just hear it echoing throughout the park. And even if it was my carbon fiber frames, I'm pretty confident it would have jacked it up. I could have kept flying, but I forgot once again, my prop nut tool, and this prop ripped off. I could have put it back on and kept flying because it still works fine. And this is where I broke it right here. I thought for sure I was going to break it around the motor mount nuts, but yeah, didn't. So what to do? Well, I just have tons of them made out. So these are my 4-inch quadcopter frames that Le Drone initially did. And what I did was just added on the struts on the outside to give more reinforcement to the motor mounts, and apparently it works. It's just here's some weak points, but even that, even though it was broken there, you can totally bend it back and keep flying. So I'm gonna put it back together and get my tune down, and I don't know, I'm doing a couple of 3-inch transfers to 4-inch because basically nobody's doing it. And now I have one of the first 4-inch 6S quads, and if I was a great flyer, you'd see just how fast that sucker really was, because it was hauling butt. I'd be so far away and it would just catch up to me and pass me like that. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy the Plastiquad build. I'll keep flying and keep tuning and show you more later. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the flights. Got Quaddy, sign out.